Hello, and welcome to the Russell Wicker Freeman Memorial Scholarship page. My name is Lee Doubleday, and I work for the Imagine America Foundation, and I'm very excited to share with you how to apply for this scholarship that honors Russell Wicker Freeman's memory. Number one, you're going to need to go to our website, which is www.imagine-america.org, but you are most likely already there. Okay, this is the Russell Wicker Freeman Memorial Scholarship page that you are most likely already on. We will have instructions listed here on what it is that you will need in order to apply before you get started. But once you're ready, go ahead and click the button. Once you get to this page, we will again ask that you will need these things ready and available to you before applying. You'll need something like an unofficial transcript, a letter of recommendation, and some time on your hands, and you'll see exactly what I mean when I walk you through this application process. So you'll see here, this is where you go to apply for the scholarship. Click on this start button. We're going to ask you questions like, what's your name? What's your email address? Your home address? We'll also ask you to upload an image of yourself. This could be a JPEG file or a PNG file. We would prefer that this is an image of you in your uniform or working in class. You will also need to tell us where you're going to school. This scholarship application is currently only open for students who are attending an Imagine America scholarship participating institution. You'll see them all listed here, so you'll need to identify which school you're attending. We'll also ask you what field of study that you are currently learning, and we'll ask you to schedule a Zoom call with probably myself. This shouldn't take more than 10 to 15 minutes. We're just going to ask a few questions on your educational journey. So you would schedule that, you will schedule that in a Calendly invite here so that we both have it on our schedules and we know when the interview will be taking place. You will also need to tell us who the nominating college staff or faculty member is. We just need their full name here, but you will also need to upload a letter of recommendation to this page here. This is preferably in a PDF file or a Word document will do. It doesn't need to be long. Just one more thing on the letter of recommendation. It doesn't need to be very long. It could only be maybe a paragraph or two, but just talking about why you're a good candidate for this cash grant. We'll also ask you to upload an unofficial transcript. This again could be a scanned PDF of an unofficial transcript. But your school should have a copy of this that you'll have access to that you can send in to us. We basically want to make sure that you are indeed a full-time student in order to receive this award. And then we're going to ask if you'll allow us to use your testimonials and things that we like to send out to students to encourage them to apply for scholarships and to get into career and technical education just like you are. So we hope that you would allow us to be able to do that. But once you're done, you'll just click submit. And you should receive an email from us just indicating that you have applied for the scholarship and to let you know when we may be presenting the awards. But thank you, and I hope that was a pretty easy application for you, and we look forward to receiving your applications.